Shippers who operate throughout North America often find the border crossing process to be cumbersome and time-consuming. At Schneider, our 30-plus years of experience in cross-border transportation takes the frustration and uncertainty out of international shipping. When you choose to ship with Schneider, we will guide you through the border crossing process. When shipping cross-border with Schneider, you can rest assured your freight is secure. Our experienced local team in Mexico handles customer service, operations, logistics, and sales to provide you with a comprehensive end-to-end transportation solution. Shipping a load with Schneider begins with communication to our top-notch customer service team. Our representative in Mexico receives the load tender, creates an order, and schedules pickup with one of our trusted CTPAT Mexican carriers. Loads can be live load or drop and hook. Once the trailer is loaded, the shipper sends a copy of the invoice and packing list to their customs broker and a copy of the U.S. bill of lading to Schneider and the Mexican carrier who will pick up the load. The Mexican carrier is responsible for producing a Mexican bill of lading, while the customs broker produces the export pedimento and the U.S. entry to be presented at the border. The Mexican carrier moves the load to the Mexico side of the border and hands over the trailer to a transfer company. The transfer company must have a copy of the pedimento and entry to present at the border. During the border crossing process, trucks are selected at random for U.S. Customs inspections, which may include opening and inspecting individual products. Schneider's use of the CTPAT certified carriers reduces the likelihood of lengthy inspections and delays at the border. Once the load is cleared customs, it is delivered to a Schneider facility. The trailer is inspected, then picked up by a Schneider truck for final delivery in the U.S. Schneider's reliable service, responsible processes, flexible capacity, and collaborative team provide your business a competitive advantage in cross-border shipping. To learn more, contact your Schneider representative or visit Schneider.com.